Today is a very sad day for the Williamstown Football Club, and many of our members will understand what I'm talking about. Our players today will be wearing black armbands as a mark of respect to a wonderful gentleman and former player of this club in Ben Kelly. Ben played here from Hayfield. Ben played as captain of 2 premiership sides in Williamstown in the reserves. Ben played 13 senior games with Williamstown during the period of our alignment with the Collingwood Football Club. And Ben was one of those guys that everyone who was involved with the club would say a champion bloke. Unfortunately, during the week, Ben died suddenly. And everyone who knew Ben and everyone in our football club and Spotswood Football Club and the Williamstown CYMS and the Williamstown Junior Football Club know that we have lost a spectacular gentleman. Ben's 3 young children, Judd, Nate and Austin, and Ben's wife and family are with us today, and Judd, Nate and Austin will lead the Williamstown team onto the ground when they return to the Oval. We welcome the Williamstown Football Club onto the ground. Judd, Nate and Austin leading them out with Alex Edgar playing his 100th game. Thank you, ladies.